on a Saturday. The crowd shuffles in. It's an old man sitting next to me, off to his tonic engine. He says, son, can you play me a memory? Not really sure how it goes. And it's sad, it's sweet, and I do it complete when I were young and exposed. Oh, la, 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 la. Sing us a song, you piano man. Sing us a song tonight. We were all in the mood for a melody, and you got us feeling alright. Well, John at the bar is a friend of mine. He gets me my drinks for free, and he's quick with a joke or to light up your smoke, but there's someplace that he'd rather be. He says, Larry, I believe this is killing me, as a smile ran away from his face. But I'm sure that I could be a movie star if I could get out of this place. Oh, la, la, la. Now Paul is a real estate novelist, never had time for a wife, and he's talking with Davy, who's still in the Navy, probably will be for life. And the waitress is practicing politics as the participant slowly gets thrown. This is sharing a drink they call loneliness, but it's better than drinking alone. Sing us a song, you piano man. Sing us a song tonight. We're all in the mood for a melody, and you got us feeling alright. It's a pretty good crowd for a Wednesday, and the manager gives me a smile, 'cause he knows that it's me they've been coming to see, to get it out live for a while. And the piano sounds like a carnival, and the microphone smells like a beer, and they sit at the bar and put bread in my jar, say,